Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. All of you have enjoyed your holidays. Okay, very good. Stay home, stay safe, children. Okay, now this is computer class 2nd, and today we will start our new lesson 2. And the name of the new lesson is Uses of Computers. So, in the previous lesson, you have studied about computer. What is computer, children? Computer is an electronic device that is used to process data. You have also studied about input, process and output, and about the qualities of computer. What are the different qualities of computer? Computer can work very fast. It can also store many things. It saves our time, and it can also do many things at a same time. Okay, so now in this lesson we will study about the uses of the computer. So now tell me, children, tell me the name of some places where computers are used. Okay, computers are used at many places. Almost all the places computers are used for different things, like at home, at school, in offices, in bank, at airports and railway stations, in hospitals, and many more places. Okay, children, almost every places computers are used. So in this lesson we will study about this only. Let's start. Computers are used at many places. Computers are used at many places. At home. Why do we use computer at home? At home, we can do homework and search for information. We can draw pictures and solve sums. We can play many games, and we can also watch movies and listen to music at home. Okay, children, so these are the work you do at home on computer. The first one, you do your homework and you search for information. Like if something about something you don't know, you open Google and you search on that. With the help of internet, you search about something, and you also do your homework. You draw pictures and you solve your sums also on the computer. And children like to play different types of games on the computer. And we also watch movies. Like if any new movie is released in the cinema hall, so we can download it and we can watch on the computer, and we also listen different music also on the computer. So these are the works we do on the computer at home. Okay, what is the next place then? In school. So these are the things you do in school. First one is you learn new things in the classroom, make timetables and report cards. That is done in the office. You do practical work in the lab, keep the records of the books in the library. The school librarian, she does the work, and keep records of all the students. This is done in the school office. So all these things are done in the school. Number one is learn new things in the classroom, like on the smart board or in the computer lab. We used to learn, children, you used to learn different things. Computers are also used to make timetables and the report cards. Teachers make report cards with the help of computer. You get printed report card, no children, that is made with the help of computer only. And children also do practical work in the lab. Teachers keep the records of the books in the library, and also in the office records of the students. All these things are done at school. And the next place is in shops. If you have ever gone to City Mall, Vishal Mega Mart, V Mart, Reliance, or all these big malls, they used to make bills only with the help of the computer. It is very easy and it does not make any mistake, children. And they keep the record of all the items that is sold and that is left in the shop. So that's why computer is used in the shops. Next one is at railway stations and airports. Book and cancel tickets, keep records of all the passengers, update timetables of trains and flights. That's why computer is used at railway stations and airports. We do the booking and we also cancel. These all things are done only with the help of the computer. Okay, and computer keeps all the records of the passengers. This is very easy. This can be done easily with the help of the computer. But if we will do all these things, it is very difficult, children. But doing all these work with the help of computer, children, it is very easy. So at railway stations and airports, we use computer to book and cancel tickets, to keep records of all the passengers, and to update timetables of trains and flight, like which train is coming, how much time is left. Okay, so all these records are kept with the help of computer. Next is in banks. What are the things we can do with the help of computer in bank? Put in and take out money, keep records of customers and their money. The bankers keep all the records of the customers who are keeping their money, and they keep the money safe. They have all the records in their computer. Okay, and you can also take out your money from ATM, from bank, and all these records are kept in the computer. Now this is very important. ATM stands for automated teller machine. You can use an ATM to take out money from your bank accounts. ATMs run with the help of computer. So you have to learn this full form, children. You have to learn the full form. Next one is in hospitals. We can check the health of patients, keep medical records, and making bills and reports. All these things are done with the help of computer, like ultrasound, CT scan, X-ray. All these checkups are done only with the help of computer, children. Okay, and the medical record, how much medicine you are taking, purchasing the bills, everything that is given to you, all these things are done with the help of computer, and they keep all the records safe in the computer. Okay, in offices, we can keep records to type letters, to send emails, and to make projects. For all these work, computers are used in the offices. In offices, it is used to keep the records, to type the letters, to send mails, and to make projects. People use computers in the offices. So, places where computers are used, that is at home, at school, in shops, at railway stations and airports, in banks, in hospitals, and in offices. Come on the next page, children. Check your progress. Match the column. Uses of computer to the places. Keep medical records. School, home, office, bank, or hospital, and the answer is hospital. Just match it like this with the help of a scale. Send mails, that is office. Make timetables, this thing is done in the school. Watch movies, you watch movies at home in the computer. And put in and take out money, this thing is done in the bank. So this exercise you have to do in the book. Just match it with the scale and also learn it. Okay, now what are the importance of computer? Most schools today use computers. Computers are used in classroom, labs, staff rooms, and offices. In classroom to study, labs to do practicals, staff room teachers use in the staff room to keep the records of the students or to make report cards, and in offices to keep the records of all the students present in the school about their fees, books, applications, and the records of different classes, how many students are there in which class. So all these records are kept in the offices. Okay, children. Now in a classroom, a computer helps children to find information on various topics. Now with the help of computer, children, you can find information about any topic. Suppose you don't know anything about hospital and you want to know. Okay, so open computer, Google, you type the word hospital, and all the information about hospital will come on the screen. So this is very easy to find anything, any information about anything on the computer. So that's why children use computer to find the information on various topics. Teachers use a smartboard to show audios and videos to children to make them learn new things, and they can use a computer to do activities and to play quizzes. Okay, and educational games. For all these things, computers are used, and it is very important, children, nowadays to use computer and to learn things on computer. All this makes classroom learning more lively and interesting. Only reading from book, children, does not make study interesting. Okay, now when you learn it from the smart board, from computer, it makes interesting. Learning makes interesting, and you feel like I should see this video, I should watch this lesson. Okay, so this lesson, only this much you have to study importance of the computer and the places where computers are used, and this exercise you do it in the book. So children, let's revise. Places where computers are used: at home, at school, in shops, in banks, at railway stations and airports, in offices, in hospitals. Importance of computers in schools. Computers are used in schools to number 1, find information on different topics. Number 2, learn using audio and videos. Number 3, do activities. Number 4, play quizzes and educational games. In the next photo, children, I will send you the exercises. Okay, thank you very much.